Yay Scene 1. After the last episode, ریحان is standing in front of the Jinn, imprisoned in the world of the Jinn. The Jinn's eyes are blazing, and his voice is echoing. Jinn, you opened the mirror. Now returning from this world is only possible at a price. ریحان in a trembling voice. I don't know anything. I want to go back. Scene 2. Deal. Jinn offers ریحان a deal. Either he sacrifices someone else to this mirror, or he will be imprisoned forever. Memories race through ریحان's mind. Mother's prayers, childhood mosque, verses of the Quran. He firmly holds the amulet in his hand. Good. Scene 3. The light of the amulet. ریحان raises the amulet towards the Jinn and begins to recite Surah Al-Falaq loudly. The Jinn screams. The room begins to shake. A loud explosion is heard in the mirror. The mirror breaks and shatters, and suddenly everything goes silent. Huge. Scene 4. Return or deception? ریحان's eyes open. He is back in his room. Everything seems normal. But as soon as he opens the door, the same mirror is back in its place, in perfect condition. ریحان, in a low voice. Did I survive? Or isn't it all over yet? End title. Is this really the end?